got a busy day ahead of us. But before we do any of that, we gotta take care of the stuff that's in the back. First stop is the landfill. Alright, that was the landfill. Next stop is the scrapyard. We got a 3-quarter load of scrap, which is awesome. Let's see how much we can get for that. At the scrapyard, baby. Now, I was contemplating if I should keep or scrap this puppy. And I think I've decided that we're gonna keep him, so let's put that guy aside. All right, got 55 bucks in Monopoly money. Got $5 for the ladder. I had some 80 pounds in batteries, so that's 18 bucks, and then 34 bucks for all that tin. All right, here's our first job for the day. A nice old hot tub inside the deck. Please tell me it's gonna be a good day.
Right here, you can see why we suddenly pulled back. There was a bumblebee nest hidden inside the hot tub, and they were not happy.
Yeah. This whole panel holding it in place. So let's get that off. Dealing with. I love working on hot tubs that are inside decks, especially those with bumblebees inside. My favorite. What a shame that I wasn't recording. I just put all of that in there. That was some heavy stuff. I still gotta have to do all that. Okay, let's get this done and over with. All right, we're loaded up. And yes, that is what you think it is. So I'm gonna go to the yard, see what that's worth. But downstairs, everything's swept up. Just putting the doors back. Not too bad. Dancing around with some bumblebees. Took us like from 9 till 12, 3.5 hours. So usually I can do them in 2, sometimes 1.5. Oh, they're still there. They're trying to find their home. But yeah, let's go drop some stuff off at my place. Sorry, they're a little bit mad. Drop off the generator at my place, go to the scrapyard, and then go to the next job. All right, we're at my place. Gonna drop off the generator and the electric motors over here for now, and then keep on going. There was a few things happening a little bit, and I wish I recorded everything, but the truck wasn't starting. I'm pretty sure the starter went. When I would try to crank the key, there was no cranking at all, there was no clicking. So we were stuck there for a little bit, and then I don't know, I tried to put a neutral start that way, that wasn't working, and then finally I was tapping on the starter and someone else tried and started, and that got it going. And the truck had that issue for a little bit, like it had a hard time to start, but this time it's already done. So I called the other 2 clients that I was supposed to do the job for today, told them that the truck is going to go into the shop, that I can't do it today, and they were both totally fine with it. So I got them rescheduled for Monday. Today is Thursday. And then for the 2 cats that we got from that job, they're big, and I only got $186 for them. They said one of them is trash, and then the other one, I don't know. I've had way smaller cats, and I got $400 for each. I was like, man, I was getting excited. I was like, man, $2,000, that would be sweet. $186, what a joke. But yeah, I guess just one video, one job. Thanks for watching.